Hey Josh.
Alright, you.
Hey Connie, you excited?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
Hello, it's the 12th of July, June, and we're going to Japan in about. We're setting off in about.
We're setting off now, on the way.
Now.
Sean's got yogurt on the seat already.
Yeah.
We just left as well.
Hey,
well,
Jenny.
it's really good.
You excited? Woo! Yay!
Can't believe. Introduction. Yn Gymraeg, da ni rwan yn cychwyn i'r man ceinion i ddal yr awyren i Japan. Hey! We are now en route to Manchester to catch the 8:55 Japan Lufthansa. Ta-ta.
Airport, there's a sign. Stop it, Sean. Hey! We have nearly arrived in Manchester Airport. Naked Ragdoll.
Sue, talk to the camera.
Naked Ragdoll. Naked Ragdoll. Naked Ragdoll. Listen to that. Hey, Naked Ragdoll. Naked Ragdoll. Woo! Woo!
Having an energy pill.
No, I'm really hyped. I'm a morning person.
Hello. Explain what you've just done.
We've gone through customs.
Me.
Delete it, please. You don't take photographs in here.
Oh.
Delete everything you've taken in here. You don't take.
Hey, Graham.
Hi, we're in Frankfurt. Yay! With Naked Ragdoll. Yeah.
Hi.
Hannah, Tash,
Hi.
Carrie-Anne,
Hi.
Jenny, Connie, Emlyn, Alid, Sue, me,
And the others are not here.
Josh behind you.
and Josh.
Tell me what you're doing.
I'm reading Vogue, but a little mini Vogue thing. How long is this?
Natalie. Smile for the camera.
You've got me watching Glee now, is that more embarrassing or what?
Hello, Sue. Sue, explain to us where we are.
The screen's gone off. We're nearly in Japan.
Oh, we're nearly here.
We're nearly in Japan. We are.
What are you doing, Sean?
I look like a frog.
Where's Naked Ragdoll gone?
Where's the
I was gonna get Naked Ragdoll. Hi Carrie-Anne, we have arrived in Japan and we are currently driving, well we're not driving, we are in a taxi, a very cool taxi at that. I mean check out the seats, to the hotel, and there's some really cool stuff on the roads. Yeah.
Umbrella stack.
Get the umbrella stuff.
Oh yeah, there's an umbrella stack in the taxi bus thing, and really cool cup holders. Yeah. And there's some amazing cars around as well.
Had a
Anybody?
tremendous flight. What was it? All in all, 11 and a half hours.
Yeah.
We're all very tired, very sweaty, and stinky.
Oh yeah.
And want a shower.
Yes. Anyone else have anything else to say?
We're in Japan!
Yay!
Wow.
Do they drive on the left or the right side?
They drive
We'll have to find out.
on the right hand side of the road.
That's so weird.
It's the same as us, right hand drive. That's lucky, isn't it? We won't get run over now because we know which way to look. Very handy.
How excited are you? Yeah! There's so many trees. Trees. Hannah, are you excited? You excited? Josh is just too cool to be excited. You know?
Normal, too cool.
Aled, you excited?
Very, edrych ymlaen.
Nice. Dach chi'n iawn, Emlyn?
O, do.
I am. It's pretty awesome.
Cymru!
Yay! We're in our taxi now, and it's got a cool umbrella holder style thing. Don't know what it is, and it's got nice seat covers. It's very nice. It smells nice here. Look at all the trees, so many trees. And look at all this. This is beautiful. Oh, wow! Look at it. Oh, the fence. Yeah. Excited. Oh, we're going through a tunnel. Tunnel with trees. Me and Sean are super excited. We like trees. Ooh, we're going through a tunnel. Ah, there's more trees. And there's another tunnel. This is like so exciting. Yay! This is awesome. We're coming out and there's loads more trees. We love trees. Japanese trees are the best. It's just so beautiful. And we're never going to sleep for like the whole week because we just don't want to sleep now. Bye. See you later. Everyone's very, very tired, very hungry. They've had no sleep for a very, very long time. And then over 24 hours. And they're now trying to get something to eat so they can go to bed.
Today on June the 12th,
I think no, 13th.
or the 13th, 2012,
We have discovered a new contraption.
This will change the face of human life as we know it today. To demonstrate, who's going to show the warm seat? First, we have a heated toilet seat.
See, if you were here touching this right now, you would feel
lovely.
temperature.
Zoom in on the instructions so we can change the temperature. It's like very funky. And then the next thing, we have a washer to rinses your posterior with warm water. So we will demonstrate this.
Watch out, you're going to press into that one.
Ready? Got to go to the toilet.
Okay, I'm
3.
Move it back a little bit. So
3.
I'm trying to catch it with the cup. So.
Sean, you go on the toilet seat.
1, 3, 2,
1, go.
Stop it when you want.
Can Sean please come to the diary room?
Hello.
How have you found your day today, Sean?
It's been quite busy today actually. We haven't slept for about 30 hours.
Probably more.
Stop it.
Probably more. So we're really, really tired now. So I think we're gonna go to sleep.
At like 8 o'clock, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh, I found another secret door. What does this do? Oh my god. That's really clever. Okay. Anyway, yeah. So have you had a good day overall?
No.
No, why not?
I have.
No
but
swear
I've been
words,
tired, and we've been walking, but
rubbing your feet
we've
on my
seen we've seen a lot of stuff in Japan, like the geishas, and I had a nosebleed as well, so that wasn't good.
Yeah, but you looking forward to tomorrow?
Yes, I'm very optimistic for tomorrow.
Good. Right, we shall see you soon.
Okay.
Had a good day quickly, Connie?
Yes, I have. The toilet.
What was
I pressed one of the buttons and it's not stopping. It's still going. So what a squat it was.
Was the toilet the highlight of your day?
The toilet.
The toilet. Okay, yeah, here we see.
Oh, it's finished now.
Oh, and a bit of a leak on the floor. Thank you to Connie. Leave a bit of a mess
I'm
there,
going
right?
to brush my
Say again.
These are everywhere on every street in Japan, these vending machines. Not polys, just vending machines.
Hi everyone at Comic Menai. Today we are heading to Kyoto Central, where we're going to be going to the palace and a few other places. We're then going to go to downtown Kyoto, so there'll be lots of filming going on today.
That was like a professional proper film then. That's great.
My talent.
Yeah, where are we? We're
At Goji train station.
yeah, we're at the train station. Look how cute our tickets are.
They're only like 50 tokens. No, they're like well, it's cheap, isn't it?
It's like a daisy train.
And this is us exiting the station, and I wonder what this will look like.
I didn't see it. Sean wants to go swimming in the lake, but we think there might be some crocodiles in there. Get him.
Maybe some piranhas.
Yeah, Sean. Go on.
Whoa!
I love that that's on camera. Like, look, it's all down here as well.
No, it's not her, it's funny. No, it's not, it's serious.
I broke my sunglasses.
Oh no way! How did you do that?
How? I took them off my head and they broke. Or so cool.
Do you want to borrow mine?
Yeah, go on then.
Josh, with my sunglasses, gonna look cool now.
And yes, he suits them.
They are hot.
Sean.
Got metal.
Yeah, they've been on my head. So what do you think of this place so far then?
Absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah?
Fair play to it.
What's your favourite bit?
That bit.
The garden that we've just been...
I had my swimming trunks and I was allowed permission. I'd swim in there straight away. Play tick.
Yeah.
Then meditate. That's hot, that's warm water.
Yeah, well... Oh.
I want this garden. I really want this garden, Josh. I want it so bad.
What do you think of this place so far then?
It's amazing. Look at the bridge. Look
I know.
at it.
I've looked at it. It's there.
It's awesome. I want this bridge.
What do you call it? Carp or fish? Not carp. I don't know what the fish is called.
Koi fish?
Yeah, koi fish.
Oh
A little fire burning light thing.
It looks like Alton Towers.
Oh, really, Sean?
What do you think of this place, Sean?
Brilliant.
Connie?
I want to live here.
I'm having my wedding
in
here.
this garden.
I'm having my wedding here.
I want to get married on the bridge. On
that one. On the big one.
No, not the big one. The little rickety ones.
I said it first. I'm having my wedding first.
Whatever.
Sure, come on.
Who's the lucky guy, Sean?
So, carry on, tell us where we are.
I don't actually know.
We're coming towards a market. I don't know which market. That says Nishiki, so...
That's where we're going, I think.
Yeah.
Let's try to buy kimonos.
Connie wants a kimono.
Fancy medical.
Okay. Alright, walking in.
We're in the market.
There's loads of corn.
Like you just, you know, when you see something that
Connie, you're standing right in front of me, I'm recording.
Oh, sorry.
Ooh, there's a nice little shelf there. These are, but they look funny. 1,000 yen. Little restaurant, cafe thing, bar. Ooh, a big supermarket. Connie, glasses. But as you can see, it goes really far down.
I think it's a food market.
Yeah. Oh, they look good. I don't know what they are, but they look good. 107. And some sweets. More sweets. Oh, chopsticks.
Not what I was expecting.
Alec doesn't know what he's having for his dinner. And it wasn't what he was expecting, but I'm going to show you his meal. Okay, we're going over to Alex and Emlyn. Say hello to the camera.
Hello, camera.
Let's have a look at your dinner.
You can have fun, no, aren't you?
They are. This is Emlyn eating with his chopsticks and his fingers. However, the students are eating beautifully with theirs. Okay, What are you having for your dinners?
I'm on green vegetable stir fry.
Green vegetable stir
I don't
fry.
know what this is, a little bit scary, but you know, I think the rest of it, it smells vegetarian.
Sean, what have you got for you? What are you having?
Barbecue noodles.
Same as him.
Same as him.
We're actually succeeding as well. It's great.
And you're using your chopsticks, very good. Connie's really good at using her chopsticks. We had a little accident there, but apart from that, very good. This is where all the cooking is going on in here. Very impressive chef. Okay, and this is Natalie attempting to eat her dinner with chopsticks.
I'm going to be here for a very long time.
A very long time. Why don't you just revert to what you were going to use, Natalie? That's much better, isn't it? Open wide.
They don't have the flash on.
Tash, it's Kyoto by night. Yay.
Yay!
We just passed one. I know.
Will they have a waffle in it? What a waffle!
What do you want? What do you want?
Wedding child. Waffle!
Waffle!
I want a smoothie.
Smoothies! I really want ice cream or something.
Yeah,
I want a dessert. Oh, an ice cream and smoothie. Oh, like a raspberry ice
What did you have for supper tonight,
I
Tash?
had like this green leaf stir fry or something.
Ooh, what did you have?
I had yuzu salt soup noodles, which is like chicken noodles.
Nice.
God knows what mine.
Did you get the same thing? What did you get?
Same as Jenny.
What did you get?
Same as you.
I haven't said what I have.
Same as
Yay!
You!
Ooh. Ooh. You just pointed.
Round Japan. Me in China. That's round Japan. Oh, look how pretty it is!
Natalie and Sue.
Say hi, guys. Hi.
Hello.
Waiting to cross this very busy road.
Okay.
Are you going to film the beacon on the...
Yes.
Are you filming the very busy road?
Yeah.
And for Owen, we need to take a photo of all those bikes that are not even chained up or anything. They're
Who's
just
Owen?
Owen from college. They're all freestanding bikes.
No one robs them, so they're not locked up.
No crime. Bikes are unlocked.
Like, hi Jenny Farrell.
Hi Selena.
Did you shout out to someone?
Hi everyone who's watching.
Do you want to do shout out?
Hey everyone, to the other side of the world that we haven't seen for ages.
Yay. I'm not tired.
Yeah, listen.
Oh, off we go.
Oh, oh.
Here we go.
We're about to go now.
Sean, we're in the road.
Yeah, it's on green.
I know, but what if it just goes off?
It's a Japanese taxi. Yeah. Oh yeah.
So this is downtown Kyoto.
Be ti feddwl am fama?
Iawn, lle da, braf, dim threats na byd, lle lyflu.
Lle lovely.
Well, it's 2 days, isn't it?
I'm gonna.
So this is the hotel. There's the hotel lobby. The lifts are over there. This is like a very posh water thing outside. It's very posh out there. And I think that's bamboo. Like, there's no pandas though, which is quite disappointing. This is the escalator. There's Sue going up the escalator. So this is very cool. And it's really weird because it's like really fast compared to normal escalators. So it was quite hard getting down that one with our suitcases. So there's everybody going here. This is like the hotel hall bit, I suppose. There's a hotel man. Ooh. And then just going up the escalators. And I think they do a wedding thing here as well because there's a load of wedding type stuff like over there. And there's a wedding dress down there if you can see it. And then yeah. And then we're going outside now into Kyoto. Ah! This is mental! This is Kyoto Station. So as you can see, it's like huge. It's like it's proper city now, really. And there's like escalators everywhere. There's Emlyn. Hi, Emlyn.
I think
Alan's just gone to find out where exactly.
I think we need one of these in Met Gallet.
Yeah, I think it'd be pretty good in Met Gallet.
Modern.
Yeah, it's very
futuristic.
Yeah, it's all very clean.
Like the year 3000 or something.
Said been to the year 3000. Not much has changed, but they've got cool train stations.
Yeah.
Oh no, there's a train there.
Yay!
Yay!
And there's some really fashionable people.
That's Sue.
Hello.
What do you think of the station, Sue?
I think it's amazing.
It's very futuristic, isn't it?
Amazing.
Look at those things over there.
I like those big ones.
I want to go and stand in one. It would be quite cool, I think. So yeah, it's very cool.
Hey.
So that's Sean's comment on something.
Yeah, okay. I didn't think I got that.
Some of the really fashionable people here because there are loads.
Yeah,
like that girl in the green jumper.
Friendly.
Yeah,
Clothes are amazing.
Yeah, she's got a very nice outfit. She's got nice hair as well.
Yeah.
She's got lovely hair. There's a lot of school kids.
Yeah, not the school kids. Like
Hi!
Hi! Konnichiwa!
Konnichiwa! So I think it must be school time because there's a lot of school kids going to school and things. Right, this is Kyoto Station.
Oh, look down there. It looks very royal.
Ooh, yeah, look at that.
I hope we get to go down there.
Yeah, me
Everyone's
too.
so friendly.
Yeah, it is.
I just want to wave at you.
It's really cool. It's like we're aliens or something.
Yeah,
like, everyone wants to wave at us
like,
and everything.
do we look like aliens? Hello. Yeah, so I think we must be aliens. So
Yeah.
see you later.
See you later.
Bye. Bye. Wave. Bye. I can't get it to take. How's that? Sitting on a toilet. Sitting on a toilet. Stop now. Yeah, we're on the Japanese train. So look, this is the station out here. This is Sean taking a photo. That's everyone else sitting on the Japanese train. So I've got no idea. It's really clean on here, as you can see. It's nothing like, and they're like comfy seats. It's nothing like trains at home at all. It's like really nice and clean, and the trains are green. Yeah, it's great. It's like mine and Connie's height. It's little people. The shower. It's just
like they give you like tickets. These are the tickets, and they give you holders for your ticket.
I didn't get a holder.
They give you holders.
You have to get it yourself though. These, they take them away. We want to keep them by ourselves.
We're gonna keep them.
They kind of look like funfair tickets.
We're gonna put them in our sketchbooks, Jenny. And Selena.
Yeah, you've been collecting for your sketchbooks, haven't you? Yeah.
We've been like scavenging like cool brochures like magazines, letting our sketchbooks. They're free. So yeah,
we're just have a look out the window here. You can see all the train lines.
There's wires everywhere.
Yeah, it's quite mad. It's a bit scary actually because you wouldn't want them to fall on you and like get an electric shock. There's another train. That's a very posh train. I especially like our green train though. Anyway, right. Talk to you later. Bye.
So everybody are you okay? Say cheese.
Cheese.
Thank you.
Okay. One more.
We have arrived.
In Kill Bill.
Yeah, we are in the setting of Kill Bill. There's Connie being the kick-ass lady of Kill Bill. There we go. Emlyn, Sinead Kill Bill impression.
Yeah.
There we go. There's Emlyn's Kill Bill. Oh yeah. Yeah. So, I'm gonna film an awesome. So here we go. It's like amazing in here. It's amazing. Yeah. Do you want to do one, Sue? There we go. There's Sue's. Natalie, are you gonna do a Kill Bill impression? Ah, there we go. There's Natalie's. So it's amazing in here. Like the orange really contrasts with the green. It's really cool. So I'm gonna switch this off in a minute because I want to take some photos with my camera. So we'll see you later. Bye.
We got a great honor to be here. First of all, we would like to introduce all of you about our team members. My name is Ning Thor Nachun.
My name is Chang Lian Hei, and I am Pan Posei. And
I am Dong Chan Serai. I am Suya Lee. I am Dung Sei He. I am Lee Serai.
All come from Cambodia. Cambodia is located in Southeast Asia region and under dry and extreme climate. This country was considered as a country which have the oldest civilization in our area.
Now we would like to invite all of you to see our Cambodian traditional performance. Please enjoy with us.
Thank you, Cambodia. Thank you. Right. Sorry, go ahead.
So I'm feel day, that's the movie frozen. Cuộc sống chỉ cố biết na, dây sóng cuốn cùi, lúa chào cơn tươi nề tra, bánh ruồi dài hà, trong áo ra nhung.
On chung hala, chia ca công bông rau bông, điều là những đàn chị ta sao không nén, một dòng mình đáng răng như thằng răng sáng mai, xóa mùa cho xóa đêm tim, trong cái đá đồng prim, mình xuân nghe hòn.
Gió em hoa la, lo mong ở yên lo non. Gió lạnh bom tư, bom chỉ mê sông cùng mây.
Mê sông cùng mây, ngày rộng cả năm. Thank you very much.
Oh, hey, where are you going?
Back to the movie. The best cinema in town. What do you call it? My friend has got one film premiering the whole cinema and he's getting paid £25 for it.
Wow.
It's going to be amazing. Come on.
Hi, we're Metro Movies. We are a drive-in cinema. We're retro, theme nights such as Halloween horror and Valentine's Day love. And we're based outdoors.
We work in rural and urban areas, especially rural. Not a lot of cinemas are in the rural places. We have to travel about an hour to go to one, such as Cineworld.
We're unique, fun, and appealing to all.
We have 66 employees working for us every weekend, coming with us to work with Metro Movies, such as technicians, caterers, and artists.
This is our 50s style work uniform.
We stick to 3 colours, pink, black and white, which run all throughout our business. Initially, we will take out a £50,000 loan, which we will pay back over 10 years. We will also need a £90,000 investment. At the end of the first year, we will have made £193,736.
Our investors will receive 25% of that profit, which means that they will make a profit of £48,434 after the first year. This is more than half of their initial investment.
In the future, we plan to expand our business, take it to film festivals, take it around Europe, have more businesses in Britain, Europe and hopefully globally. We plan to make big profits and big bucks. This means there's so many more jobs for younger people and everyone, and we can really expand our business.
Thanks for listening. See you at Metro Movies soon.